Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Best Buy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. Now from the home page, just click on the account option at the top section and this will take you into the login portal. Now if you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option alongside the sign in button and now you will be prompted to enter your email address. Just enter the email address that you have used while creating your account and then click on the send link button. You will now be asked to check your inbox. So just check within the inbox of the email address that you just entered and you will find an email from Best Buy. Just click on the link that you see within and you will be allowed to enter your desired new password for your account. Just type in your password that you wish to set up and then click on the reset password button and now your password will be reset and you will be able to use your newly set up password along with your original email address to log back into your Best Buy account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Best Buy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.